Hello, and welcome to the Ski Piste Series, a top-to-bottom, point-of-view look at popular ski runs. Today we're at Banff Sunshine Village, and we're going to ski from the top of Great Divide Express down to the base of TP Luxury Quad. Our first trail is South Divide, a blue-rated groomer that drops 371 feet over a third of a mile, and terminates at the Green Run. Sunshine Village is located on the Continental Divide of the Canadian Rockies. This part of the resort, at the top of Great Divide Express, is the only part that falls in the province of British Columbia, the rest falling within Alberta. Being the highest area accessible by lift on the resort, the views up here are killer. Next we merge onto the Green Run, the highest elevated green run on the resort, and the second longest behind Banff Avenue. At this long straightaway, I recommend gaining speed. There's a slight incline and flat spot at the end that slows most down. Up there is where we just came from. Here we break away from the Green Run and make our way over to World Cup Downhill, a blue-rated run that we're only on for a short time. Next, we hook a ride on the green-rated Packers, a short groomer that'll take us to the base of TP Town Luxury Express. This concludes this run at Banff Sunshine Village. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And subscribe to my channel for more Ski Piste Series videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.